Alright guys, here we go back at this 2015 Dodge Dart 2-door. Alright, says it's 2.4 multi-air. As you can see, yellow indicates trouble codes. Now this blue lightning bolt indicate a potential recall. Okay, a flash update recall. But at any rate, let's see what the fault codes are. Alright, let's go on the DTC. Whoa, bunch of O2 sensor codes. And they all 1-1, which means they're upstream. There's a problem with the upstream O2 sensor. P2251, O2 negative current, whoa. P113D, O211 slow response, P0133, O2 sensor slow response, P0032, O2 sensor heated. So a lot of problems with the upstream O2 sensor, which could likely indicate you have a bad O2 sensor or failed O2 sensor. I don't like the term bad, but very well could be, you guys. But before you jump the gun and just recklessly, ma'am, all you need is an O2 sensor. Let's look the car over, okay? Because I have never in my whole 20-year career seen this fault code. Current control circuit open. Guys, in fact, the last time I discussed this code, it was a guy asking me a question. He told me he cut the wires to splice. And that's the only, I had never personally seen it, but we had a discussion about this a long time ago. So I don't know what's up. I'm going to look at the car here in a second, but for the record, this is what the DTC is. Now, as far as this, they had a flash on there. Let me see. I think, yeah, that's some dealer stuff there. I got to send that to the dealer to get, this a recall. Will a recall fix these codes? I don't know, but let's go back to the car and see what's going on, guys. All right, let's get it. Alrighty, guys. Yes, 2.4 multi-air. Upstream O2 sensor should be right here. In fact, it is. This is the upstream. All right. So, is it as simple? Will this repair be as simple as replacing the upstream oxygen sensor? I don't know. All right. Where's the downstream? Downstream, wait a minute, this is a 2.4. Let me let this. Alright guys, let's let the car up in the air, okay? Alright, tell you what, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We're gonna let the car up in the air. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have the car in the air now. What I want to look at is the exhaust. Cause simply replacing O2 sensors worry me. Alright. I mean, this is too simple. And when you don't come from another shop with that code, and another shop do not simply try another O2 sensor. And one thing I see right off the bat, guys, this is where, okay, this is the cat converter. As you know, today's modern cars will have a O2 sensor before and after the cat. It's called an upstream and downstream O2. You can visually see the upstream. In fact, this is where downstream O2 is supposed to be screwed at. Okay. Now, what this downstream is missing, guys. Wait a minute, because this is where the connector go. What is this? Where is this going to? This is for, this connector's for the upstream, this connector for the downstream, because it goes right here. Alright guys, this exhaust system has been compromised. What is this? Where is this going? Hold on guys, let me see something. Hey, this is a new, somebody, this, what the world? Hold on. Oh no. So, guys, this is not the original. This may be the original cat, and they just got a plug right here. Can y'all see that? It's just an Allen head plug to cap it off, but that's what will throw these crazy O2 codes. Because some of those codes I've never seen before. No, guys, the downstream do not go back here. All right, this is not a cat converter. This whole exhaust system has been compromised. Yes, still have the muffler, but they must have changed everything from here on up. I don't know what's going on. So, okay, this harness, look at this guy. This is where this harness is going. Oh my goodness. You got, yep, right here. It's the wires. You cannot, guys. No, not you cannot. You should not be splicing into O2 sensor wiring, okay? That is a recipe for disaster and incorrect reading, guys. Oh my goodness. Never splice in a O2 sensor circuit. If it's a 4-wire circuit, 2 wires are dedicated to the heater. One is for return, and one is signal O2 circuit. But that's what's going on, guys. I can see right now. All right, upstream is up there, and downstream is supposed to be right here and plug right here. But they got this harness. Oh, guys. All right, I was this close to just simply writing up upstream O2 sensor. That's what the code said. Look at these codes, guys. Do not get tricked. Try not to get tricked, man. You have an hour to diagnose a car. You have 1 hour designated for diagnosis of a vehicle. Just because you look at a fault code does not mean just jump on a part. Now, me about 10 years ago, younger and reckless, when I saw that code, it's simple. She need an O2 sensor. Now imagine if I put a brand new O2 sensor on there. I would have the same situation. Okay, and then that would lead to a pissed off customer. Well, I have the same problem. Are you going to give my money back? Nobody wants to go through those battles with customers, guys. I'm curious to know why they do this. Is she trying to pass emissions, or? I mean, this could be an OEM cat converter. This could be the original cat, but why is it capped off? Why are they finagling? No, you can't do this. All right. So I have to write up an estimate, guys. I'm gonna have to write up a cat converter in both O2s. I'm not gonna use this wiring, and I'll take this plug and just simply cap this off. Cause I don't know what the world this is all about. The exhaust system has been compromised. Let me put it like that. So guys, I guess the moral of the story is be careful diagnosing O2 sensors. Look the car over, alright? Because you can easily get burnt. That's where we stand on this. That's all I have, guys. I hope you got something out of this video. Do not splice O2 sensor wires, number 1. And number 2, if you relocate O2 sensors, at least go in the same destination area, because the computer is pretty sophisticated. It will pick that up, guys. There's only so much tricking you can do to these sophisticated computers. Alright, I'm done. Let me write this estimate up, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.